Hello guys, good morning. So today we will talk about how to upload images or the video using Azure Function app in Python. So let's move to the VS Code. Okay, so this is my function. You need connection string and the container. So what is connection string? This is the connection string of your storage account. So you need storage account first. So just go to the storage account. Here you will find Azure storage account. So just click on the storage account and click on the add. Now fill all the information which is required. After that, click on review plus create button. Then your storage account will created successfully. Now I am leaving it. I already create my storage account, so I am just going to that. Now then click on access key, copy this access key and go to the VS Code. Just replace this. After that, you need to create a container under the storage account. So just go to the storage account and blob service containers. Click on container, my container. Okay. So now my container created successfully. Just copy this name and go to the VS Code again and replace this. Now keep in your mind, you have to mention these two dependency in your requirement.txt file, Azure storage and Azure storage blob. Okay. There is no images or the video found here. Now what you need to do, just go to your function app. This is my function app. Now go to course. You need to configure your course configuration. So just go to under the course configuration and you need to remove all the listed horizons and add star and then click on save. I already done, so I am just leaving it as it is, but you need to configure your course configuration. Okay, now everything has done, and one more thing you need to do, just go to the functions, upload image, copy it. Okay, this is my HTML page through which we can upload our image. So I'm just going to the browser, choose file, Okay, so this is my image which I want to upload. Open, click on upload. Yeah, so I got the success message. Now we will see in my container that the file has been placed or not. So just click on refresh button. Yeah, file has been placed. We will got the URL from here. So just copy it. Yeah, open file. So this is file. Okay. You can see that file from here as well. Okay, so this session has been completed. Guys, I would like to request from all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel, then subscribe it and provide me support. If you want any session, any topic which I left, or you want, then ask in comment box. I will definitely create the session on the same. Thank you guys.